Hey friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. It could be a matter of concern for you that the baby has stopped giving you movements. Baby usually starts giving movements or kicks starting with almost 5 months of pregnancy. You will be experiencing these moves and these kicks prominently during the 6th month of pregnancy, and these movements will be at peak at 6.5 months of pregnancy. But friends, as your pregnancy is going ahead, the baby in the womb is also gaining the weight and also increasing the height, and due to which the space inside the uterus is not ample for him or her to give you proper movements. Whatever the space is there in the uterus is almost taken up by the baby in the coming months, and due to which you may find that the baby has started giving you less of the movements. During 8th month or in 32 to 36 weeks of pregnancy, you will feel that the baby has started heading down towards the pelvis area. This is the time when the baby will fix the head in the pelvis region, and thus the head will be completely immovable. However, the baby's legs and hands will be able to move, and these movements you will probably feel in the upper part of your abdomen because the baby head is now down and the legs are now up. So this is also one of the reasons why you will not feel that much of movements when you are in your third trimester, that is the 7th, 8th and 9th month of pregnancy. Sometime during these months only you will feel a stretching of your stomach momentarily, and this is just because the baby inside the womb is stretching his arms or the limbs, and when the baby will be doing like this, your stomach will be stretched for some time, and again when the baby will be relaxing, the stretching of the stomach will be gone and you will feel relaxed. Sometimes due to this action of baby inside the womb, you may feel some sort of pain, but need not to worry, it is a temporary problem that is given to you by the baby in the womb. So friends, starting from 5th month of pregnancy, you will get the movements, the kicks in large amount. However, when you will come in your third trimester, that is starting from 7th month, these movements and kick will gradually reduce, and this is a very natural thing because baby inside the womb is not having that much space to move inside the uterus properly. However, one thing is very much important, that you are continuously monitoring the movements of the baby in the womb. Though it will be very less, but you have to monitor the movements. Every hour you should feel the movements. If for some hours if you are not feeling the movements, maybe the baby inside the womb is sleeping. That should not be a matter of concern, because when he or she is sleeping inside the womb, the baby will not be able to give you any kick or the movements. But if the sleeping hours are increasing and you are often feeling that the baby is not giving you movements, then you should try from your side to drink cold or something hot, or change in the food you are eating, like the spicy food you can go for, or you can hear the loud sound or project a sharp light on your stomach. When we are doing these things, we are basically disturbing the baby in the womb. If the baby is sleeping inside the womb, we are actually disturbing his or her sleep, so that the baby can be woken up from the sleep and can start giving you the movements. So if for longer hours you are not feeling any movements, try using these techniques and try to provoke your baby to give you movements. But if it happens that the baby, in spite of doing all your efforts, the baby is still not giving you movements, then do not delay or take any chance. You should visit the hospital or your gynecologist as soon as possible, because these signs shows that the baby inside the womb is not doing well. So friend, this was the reason why a baby in the womb who was giving you the movements and the kicks starts lowering the movements or stopped giving you kicks as some time. What you have to do, I have told you in this video, when you need to visit your doctor. So friend, this was all. If you like the video, kindly press the like button. If you are a new viewer, also subscribe to our pregnancy centric channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified of all the upcoming videos on pregnancy. Let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.